What's good, family? Today we have a quick little video for y'all going over Supreme Week 6 drop list. I know I've been in and out as far as the Supreme drop list go, but there's been nothing that piques my interest. Even though this week I'm kind of not even interested in it, I decided, you know what, let me make a little video for all my Supreme enthusiast supporters that are probably itching for the content. So in this quick little video, I'm gonna go over everything that's dropping and I'll let you know my personal opinion on whether it's fire or ass. Obviously take it with a grain of salt because it's just how I feel. If y'all doing up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel. Y'all already know what to do. Let me not talk your ears off. Let's go ahead and get straight to it. Even though this week is still ass, it's been a month since I made a Supreme video, so I might as well at least hop on here and let y'all know what I'm thinking about this week. There are some pieces that I'm kind of feeling, literally these two right here, the knife and the dude. Besides that, bro, shit's kind of ass, but we gonna go over it nonetheless. All the way at the bottom, we got the plaid corduroy half zip shirt. This one comes in two different colorways. Honestly, nothing too special. Reminds me of a Stussy shirt that I bought a while ago off eBay for like $10. That one's low-key better than this, so we're gonna be skipping on that. We got the Bounty Hunter regular jeans. This whole collab is kind of mid in my opinion. Let me know how y'all feel about it in the comments. For me, it's kind of ass, bro. Kind of ass, I'm not gonna lie, but jeans I guess are cool. There's nothing special about them. Literally just says Bounty Hunter on the back. This ripstop shirt, which literally just says Bounty Hunter on it. I don't know if it has anything on the back. Let's check. That's a negative, sir. We're gonna leave that shit right there as well. This beanie isn't that bad. I'm trying to like it, but realistically it's nothing that I would wear in my wardrobe. Let me know if this is something y'all gonna be trying to pick up. Honestly, this shit is a little too dark and twisty for me, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This whole skull right here with the horns and shit, yeah, nah, it's not for me. Like, once again, Supreme be on that bullshit. We already know. Mesh pocket camp cap is ridiculous, bro. This whole shit on the side is a pocket, bro. You could low-key put your money in there. You could put your AirPods in there. You feel me? You'll never lose them type shit. This is nuts. This hat right here is crazy. I'm not gonna lie though, this camo on the corner, this one, I kind of like that vintage camo. If they drop that on a regular hat, we might be talking. With the cargo pocket on the side, we not really feeling it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The wash script short sleeve, this should come in like 25 colors, bro. This isn't that bad though. I take it that this week is their script week because I saw a couple other pieces that have that same script design on it, but this thermal Henley Supreme cross head ass right here, the horns on it, like, this is just dark, my G. Like, we gonna leave that. We gonna leave that right there. This is the script sweatpants though. This kind of what I was trying to get at. There's more script pieces dropping this week. These aren't that bad. I definitely love that olive color. The black isn't horrible as well. The gray you just can't go wrong with. Now, is this a piece I'm gonna try to pick up? Definitely not. These are probably gonna retail for like 138, 148, nothing too crazy. We got the skull mesh back 5 panel. This one isn't horrible. I like the fact that the skull doesn't have horns on it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's decent. I honestly like this olive color. Black one isn't bad as well. Is it something I would pick up? Once again, it's not, bro. That's why I'm not forcing it this season. Like, if I don't like some shit, I just don't like it, and that's cool. Loose gauge beanie though, y'all know I love me a loose gauge beanie. LGB color right here. And then we got the other ones. For me, my favorite definitely would be the gray. Brown and the navy aren't bad. I already have a black, so I would leave that. Ones on the front are low-key a little bit loud. The maroon isn't horrible. You can't go wrong with a loose gauge beanie, at least in my opinion. I feel like they're not bad. Bounty Hunter sweater is almost like a knitted sweater. Yup, not terrible. Once again, says Bounty Hunter and Supreme on the sleeves. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for any of these pieces, bro. I'm sleeping on all the shit so far. We got the corduroy skate pants. I'm not even gonna open these up. It's literally some pants, bro. Like, straight up some pants. That's all we need to know on that one. Bounty Hunter wolf tee. Let's open this one up, see what it's talking about. You got the little wolf on the front. Bounty Hunter Supreme. This isn't terrible. I'm actually not against this shirt right here. 120% dark side justice Bounty Hunter. What does that even mean? I do not want to know, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We got the MA1 jacket. This one got the skull on the side, black panel on the back, which I don't know how I feel about that. I don't think it's horrible, but once again, is it a piece that I need? That's literally what I'm asking myself about all this shit. Do I need it? Is it something that I want to buy? Is it something that I would appreciate if I had? The answer is no. So we gonna leave it there. We made it to the top of the list pretty fast this week, bro. There was a lot of bullshit that we skipped past. We got the Bounty Hunter mesh jersey. This is actually kind of hard. I'm feeling it in the black color. The skull on this one almost looks futuristic, and I'm not against it. Font is also giving me alarm clock vibes. Let me know if I'm tripping. This black colorway is definitely clean. I like the white piping on it as well. So far out of the whole collab, this is my favorite piece, this jersey. There's the bounty hunter backpack. This is actually hard. I wonder how much something like this is gonna go for. If it's not too much, I would honestly consider picking this up. It's something fun, something playful to add to an outfit. Definitely different, but I don't think it's horrible, if that makes sense. I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled to see how much this is gonna go for, to be honest. We got the raised script hoodie. This one comes in 6 different colorways, my favorite being this olive. This one's definitely the best one. After this, I would probably go gray. Blue isn't bad either though. They got some pretty decent colorways as far as this goes, but it's too simple for me. I honestly would just rather something that has a graphic on it. So I am gonna be sleeping on this hoodie once again. There's the bounty hunter silver ring. Is it something that I need? That's literally what I'm asking myself, but I don't need a skull with some fangs on a ring made out of silver. This is probably gonna cost some bread as well, so I don't know if it's something I'm gonna go for. Let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in this ring right here. For me, it's definitely a pass, but I could see why some people would want to pick something like this up. It's not horrible. It's decent for sure. Retail is gonna determine whether people buy this ring or not. I know it would for me. Now we're at the top of the list where things get a little spicy. This bounty hunter varsity jacket, not my cup of tea. Too many skulls on one piece for me. There's literally 1, 2, 3, 4 skulls on this one. Like, damn, bro, let it be. Just put 1, maybe 2. Like, I don't know, bro. Are y'all gonna be copping this jacket? Let me know in the chat. This is almost giving me medieval times, Playboy Cardi aesthetic right here. Pass for me. Is it a pass for you? There's the bounty hunter skulls tee. This one comes in 3 different colorways. I don't think this one's that bad. I like the fact that it spells bounty hunter right here on the teeth. It's kind of cool how they incorporated the branding on this one. It has that supreme bounty hunter going across the bottom on the back as well. Do like the fact that with this collab, they're putting shit on the sleeves. They're not leaving any space untouched, which could be a gift and a curse for some of these pieces, but this one isn't horrible, you feel me? I'm actually feeling the black or the white for this one. The blue is kind of meh, but whatever, it's cool. My favorite piece definitely has to be the bounty hunter skull coon figurine right here. This is actually hard body. Let me know if y'all gonna be picking this one up. If retail isn't ridiculous on this, I definitely will try to get my hands on it. It doesn't say the size these are gonna be, so I can't really try to predict how much it's gonna go for. Regardless, this is actually fire. I wish some of the pieces on the collab featured this character, because I definitely would have tried to pick it up. This is a little less dark than the whole entire collab. That's why I'm feeling it a little more. Definitely a banger in my opinion. I'm getting more into figurines lately. I haven't told y'all yet, but I bought this figure at Disney when I went. It was like a Mickey Mouse 100th anniversary figure. Kind of made me want to start picking up shit like this. So this is fire. If it's not too expensive, I definitely will try to get my hands on it. Last up, we got the Supreme Miyabi Birchwood Santoku knife. I might have butchered that whole name, bruh. I apologize. It is what it is at the end of the day, but this knife go crazy. Low-key, I do need to get a new knife set for the crib. I know this one's gonna go for like $300. It's like a professional chef, master chef looking ass knife, and I know what that entails as far as the price goes, but I'm not even tripping for real. It's cool though nonetheless. Let me know in the comments if y'all gonna be going for this. If this is anywhere under $80, which I highly doubt, I will try to pick this up, but I already know how this is gonna go. Come on, bro. Supreme on the blade. That should look nasty, bro. It's a fire piece. Fire piece for sure. Is it something I need? Once again, y'all already know the theme of this video. I don't really need this. The only piece I need so far is the figure, bro. The figure go crazy, but this knife is fire too. I just don't know if the retail will let me pick something like this up, but that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite item that's releasing. Are you gonna be picking up anything from this whole bounty hunter collection, or is this another week that you're gonna be sleeping on Supreme? I don't know if you guys watched my last video where I spoke about the fact that Supreme Apple Pay should be coming back. That's gonna be a really good thing for all of us manual users, because it's gonna make things a little bit easier as far as trying to combat the bot speeds. Regardless, they should have brought that shit back for the Supreme Dunk release, not some shit like this. At the end of the day, if it's not the book bag, the knife, or the figurine, this whole week is kind of a dub for me, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. If you guys did enjoy this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what else y'all would like to see coming soon. Bunch more content on the way. I think I'm gonna bring my conspiracy videos back low-key. I just been all over the place trying to map out where I'm trying to take my channel and do that the best way possible. Just trying to be more efficient, more on point. I'm gonna get there, bro. I know I'm gonna get there. I know it's gonna take some work. Hey, I'm willing to put that work in. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, morning, whenever you're watching this video. All that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.